Hey, little bro. Want to find your own style but don't know where to start? Let me show you an easy way to nail down your aesthetic. 1. Start with Pinterest. First, get on Pinterest. It's not just for women. There's a ton of cool styles to discover. Search for outfits you like and save them. Don't overthink it. Just save anything that catches your eye. 2. Take notes. Look through your saved outfits and take note of the common themes. You see a lot of certain colors or fits. Are the styles more casual or dressy? This will help you identify what you're naturally drawn to. 3. Filter for real life. Go through your saved outfits and think about what you'd actually wear. Be realistic about what you'd feel comfortable in. Filter out anything that doesn't fit your lifestyle or personal comfort zone. 4. Try it out. Now, it's time to test it out. Grab some pieces that match your newfound style and start experimenting. It might take a few tries, but you'll find what works for you. The goal is to find a look that makes you feel great. Remember, finding your style is about feeling good and being true to yourself. You've got this, little bro. If you want to be a Chad, then comment the word Chad, and we'll inform you about our program. Subscribe to get successful, smart, sharp, and skilled, and to win forever.